Welcome back, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to create a table and insert data in a table. Okay, so let us begin. SQL Server Connect. I have already told you the authentication in the last lecture, so go to the new query and first create a database. Create database, give the name student information. I suggest you give the name that you want to create. It is easy to remember, otherwise it is hard and difficult to remember. Okay, so create database student information, execute it. And next thing is that whenever you creating a table, you must have to select a database name first from here. Okay, why? Because you are creating a table in a database student information. If you did not select in database from here, so our table have been created of any other database, and it is difficult whenever you are connecting a database SQL server to any application. It is difficult to remember. So I have select first, select it. Now create a table. Create table, give the name of table, information of student. Okay, so just click and execute it. Syntax in problem. Okay, wait, I did not give the parameters, sorry. Give the parameters integer and comma. Name is a string, so we use var character and give the range. Okay, so used and executed. Command completed successfully. I did not give the parameters, so it was giving the error. I use only two parameters because I work on two parameters in the last lecture. When we further continue, so we work on 4 or 5 parameters. Okay, so how to insert data? Simply write insert, after write into, write the name of database. Okay, information of student. Didn't write the name of database, write the name of table. Okay, so after that write here values and open bracket, close bracket, and remember ID is first, so you must have to in sequence for ID, comma, and now write the name of first. I write John. Okay, so just select it and execute. Look, one row affected successfully. Let us check. How to check? I told you the last lecture, select static from where information of student. So just select it and execute. Look, our first row is inserted in a table first. Okay, I insert 2 or more rows. Insert into. If you don't want to write insert into values again and again, so it's an easy way to add 3 or 4 rows at a time. How? Look, student values, open bracket, close bracket, ID2, comma 1, then write comma here, and after that again inverted, open bracket and close bracket, and now write there 3, ID and name. Okay, look, here we add only one row in a table, and here we add 2 rows at a time in our table. It is simply to save our time. 2 rows affected. If you are junior and so I suggest you to write again and again. More practice, the more perfect you. So look our database table. Look in our database, a table of information of student where we have 2 parameters, ID and integers, and here is 3 rows. First of John, look from here, John from here, okay, and second ID and ID2 name Noman, and ID3 name Alexa, just we include here. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.